was stopping me. That's how what we going about. He was stopping me. Even he locked the door. It was with the key. He locked the door. I didn't know where he kept the key. So when I get to the door, he would draw me back. And that was what happened.
Okay.
Based on the police, he said alleged discovery. So what happened to the situation?
3 times.
The first one was both. The first one was twice. The instance, the first one on the left side. That was the first one. And then when I started doing the first one twice, I threw the knife on the bed. Then he was going for it while I went for it. So while I laid on the bed, that's when it came on me to hold the knife, and that's when I managed to stab him with the knife. And then when he dragged the knife from me, he managed to slice my hand. And then as he was holding it, the knife broke, so it slipped off from his hand. I still managed to help it, but then it was now broke, and then fell on the floor.
Okay, so why did you what was it about the first time that you didn't like? What did you do? Or what happened?
I was trying to sleep. It was midnight, so we were drunk and we have smoked, so I was already sleeping. And then I was already sleeping, and then when it came to me, that was what happened. It was bad. It was SK loud. How was it?
SK and loud.
Was there weed in the room?
How were you arrested?
They came to my house. And that's how I escaped.
Okay, do you live with your parents?
Yeah.
Where?
No, not even to your back.
Okay, how long have you known this guy and how did you meet him?
Exactly.
I've known him for 4 months, 5 months. I met him through friends.
A friend introduced him to you?
Yeah.
Okay, so how regular do you see?
Not regular. Not regular.
You were saying he was coming from
That was my first time.
I need you to explain that because a lot of people turn that to him.
That's time. Long time. Yeah.
Okay, so how long did you guys stay? Did you check in on Sunday? When did he die? Which day did he die? And when did you leave him? And how were you able to escape from the room after killing him, or you just walked in?
Well, while he was lying there, I changed and then I left the room. I looked for the key for where he ate it and I let it go.
So when you escaped, who did you reach out to? Where was the first place you went to?
I didn't reach out to anybody.
So how do you feel when you know that you have killed somebody and you just sneaked out? How do you feel at 21 committing this kind of crime?
What did you do with the ATM letter? With his ATM?
I withdrew some money.
How much?
And
80,000.
Not 5 million.
On confirmed reports have it that in your original account you have about 10 million naira. How did you get such amount of money? So how was it traced to you?
It's not
After committing this crime,
I felt a lot. I think because I was supposed to feel that.
then you find out to everybody so that shit.
I found the professor said no, 5 million was in the account.
What did you plan to do with the money?
What I plan to do with
The money you withdrew from his account.
to pay my fees.
Okay, now the guy who brought the drugs, who called the guy, whose customer is that guy who brought drugs to you guys?
It was the one that told me.
Supply drugs to both of you.
I don't know. He's always having to smoke with me. So I don't know if that was the first time.
In 4 months you've known him, how many times have you gone out with him?
And where do you
And
go?
what's the difference with this particular one?
We haven't gone out like out. It's always like we can meet and then we go to the house as we go to see.
Is it BGC or Banana Island? Where is it BGC or Banana Island?
How did your parents get to know about this whole situation? Did you inform them yourself or how?
It was that
Speak up. Can you?
It was 9 p.m. 9 or 10. It was really very late. Yes, it was late.
So when you do you live in school or you live with your parents?
I still my parents.
You stay with your parents and you left on a Sunday and this happened when? That's like 3 days interval or thereabout. When did you tell your parents you were doing so?
I told him I was going for auction.
For what?
Ushering job?
Yes,
Have you been doing it before?
yes, I still freelance.
Any other
You
question?
checked in into the short leg according to reports that you checked in with your foreign number. Did you have any plan to retrace them? Because of course, it's a bit difficult to trace you with such foreign numbers. Is that correct?
It was not difficult to trace me with the number, but I didn't have mind of doing that.
But is it correct to say you checked in with the foreign number?
That was the number I used in texting the
That was the number you used?
in texting the lady.
So you have a foreign number, just is that it?
What do you do with that?
So what?
What country? It's a number.
So why should you
How
even
did
be
you
keeping
get the
it?
foreign number?
Have you traveled out
How did you get the
before?
foreign number?
It's an hub.
Eh?
It's an hub.
It's an app.
Okay, there is app.
Yes, app that generates the number.
How would you do that? Yeah, it's possible.
What do you do with the foreign number? Why would you, like, just on your own, decide to have a foreign number? Okay. Are we good? Oh, are you okay?
Sorry.
The cards. She should snap the cards.
Sorry, what are you doing?
Thank you for being bold. Okay?
Don't sit down, sir. No, don't face me.
Thank you for speaking up. Chidima, please look here.
Look up.
There's your face up. If you know you are not doing it, so camera will not just capture it. We are capturing your face. That's why I just want
Wait, I beg. Chidima, just look here, please. Look here. Please now.
Chidima, please look up.
Look up now.
I don't know. All the guys, I just love to see this now.
She's very beautiful. How about the lady?
You should take her from back now.
Alright, so if you are just joining us, we are at the Lagos State Police Command where the the Commissioner of Police has presented the prime suspect who murdered the CEO of Super TV. She was said to be seeing him. She was said to be his girlfriend, and she just explained everything that happened to us here. She said they were taking drugs. They were, according to her, they were taking loud. They were taking what she called SK, and they were also having fun. And she didn't want him doing more things with her, and they had an argument, and she stabbed him twice. Her name is Chidima. She is a 300 level student of the University of Lagos. She's studying mass communication in Unilag. So here she is. Chidima is her name, and she has confessed to the police of thoroughly killing the CEO of Super TV. She's been taken away now.